Our Jefferson school is doing the cereal box challenge. We will be collecting cereal boxes to donate to the Salvation Army and the food bank, and then so we can give back to the community and those with no food. But after we get all the boxes, we will do a domino chain around our school with those boxes. And if every class donates about 215 boxes, we'll get our goal 6,000 boxes. But that'll be hard, so we're asking for community donations.
For this project, we'll be using STEM: science, technology, engineering, and math. The STEM will help the chain reaction by using kinetic energy to make the cereal boxes fall. Each grade level will be doing an activity to help collect cereal boxes. In our science class, we'll be learning about chain reactions and how the energy will pass through them to knock all the boxes down.
For our cereal box challenge, we will be needing engineering in our process. So our 5th grade classes have thought of ways we will be able to do that. We think we should use some computer modeling in our process for this.
And we're going to use calculators to find how far away they need to be apart, and so we can make every twist and turn. And we're gonna use technology to contact other people to see if they can donate cereal boxes to the school, so we can do the domino things.
Some of the math skills we are using is measurements, prediction, conversion, and perimeter.
We're going to be using measurement to measure out the space between each box, and we are also going to measure the length of each hallway.
We are using prediction to predict how long it's going to take if all the cereal boxes fall down and how many cereal boxes going to be in each hallway.
We are going to be also using perimeter to find out how many boxes can be in each hallway. We will also be using angles to find out what degree each cereal box has to be to create a turn.
So we will be using smaller models out of dominoes to interpret the cereal box is falling. We will also try and use maybe technology to get them up and down these stairs. We also will be using angles and angle degrees and all that to be seeing if our curves are correct to perfectly try and get our cereal boxes so they can all fall.
We will also be using measurements to see if we can actually separate the cereal boxes to make sure they can all fall. So we're gonna try to keep it in between 5 inches away, 5 or 6, so we can make sure they all fall.
I'm going to talk about how the cereal boxes spread kindness like we are going to do. So, when one person has kind, they are going to spread it around by telling people how to, and then when these cereal boxes fall and hit each other, they will spread the kindness. And then when they all hit each other, when they're done, we're gonna give them to people, and then, so that's kind of spreading kind, because when we give something to a person, then that's kind of being really nice.
We need a community to help by donating the cereal boxes to the schools that are doing the contest, and even though they can donate it directly to the charity too, help out for things if there's a sale, especially for parents or guardians. If there's a sale, just buy some, don't have to buy so much, just a little bit, and donate it to the school or this charity.